Lovely. So we're about to start with our first tea. Our first tea is a Padmudar, which is from the Australian Tea Masters, and it's a white tea. So the different types of tea are the same tea plant. When it's picked, when it's processed, and how it's processed changes the flavour of the tea. So white tea is usually the first flourish of the tea leaves in spring, and that's what gives it its really light fragrance, tastes and the lightness of it. Then green tea is it's tea that hasn't been oxidized. So it's been picked, steamed, and it can either be roasted or rolled. So you've got the type, that's the type of tea it is. And then the blend of teas that we'll be having today is the Green with Envy. So that's the green tea, black tea, peach, pineapple and mango blend. So when it becomes a blend, it's when something's been added to the type of tea or to the batch of tea. You've then got a middle category between green teas and black teas, which are known as oolongs. So oolongs, there is a large range of oolong tea. So oolong tea is anything that is not 100% oxidized, which is where black tea sits, which is why you can get a big range. And they've got the fantastic, not only the health benefits, but also a really broad flavor palette because of that. So as you oxidize the tea, that's what gives it its really rich, red, dark, almost sometimes a golden color in your cup. And that's really why it looks so different to white tea and green tea as well. And then we've got chai teas. So chai teas are traditionally cardamom, cinnamon and ginger, and it's also known as a spice tea, which is quite big in places such as India. And then herbal teas. So if a herbal tea doesn't have the Camellia sinensis plant in it, it's actually a tisane. So we still classify it underneath the tea umbrella and we still call it a tea, but most of the time they're tisanes, they're herbal blends.